In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a smooth transition when you hover over a button. Imagine that when you move your cursor over a button, it instantly switches to another color, which can feel a bit jarring or abrupt. What we want to achieve is a seamless, visually pleasing transition that gives a touch of elegance to your design. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to start by selecting the button that you want to modify. It's important to have the right elements selected before we make any changes. Once you've got the right button, head over to the Style panel. This panel is your gateway to tweaking various properties of your element, and it's where you'll make all the adjustments to achieve that smooth transition effect. As you scroll down the Style panel, keep an eye out for the Effects section. It's often tucked further down, so it might require a bit of scrolling. When you find it, look for a little plus icon next to Transitions. Clicking this plus icon will open up the transition settings, providing you with a suite of options to fine-tune how your button behaves. Now, once you've opened the transition settings, you'll need to decide on the type of transition you want. For this particular effect, select All Properties as the type. This will ensure that all changes you make to the button, including the color change, are covered by this transition. Next, it's crucial to set the duration of the transition. The duration determines how long the transition will take from start to finish. For a noticeable and smooth color change, set this duration to something more than 300 milliseconds. Choosing a slightly longer duration, like 400 or 500 milliseconds, can create an even more polished and fluid transition effect, providing a satisfying experience for anyone interacting with your button. Once you have these settings dialed in as desired, it's time to see the magic happen. Preview your work by hovering over your button. You should notice that the color change now flows smoothly and gracefully, rather than switching abruptly. This small change might seem minor, but it can significantly enhance user experience by making interactions more intuitive and visually appealing. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've added a touch of sophistication with a smooth hover transition on your button. Transitions like these are an excellent way to bring a professional touch to your designs and can greatly improve a user's interaction with your site. Enjoy experimenting with different properties and durations to find just the right effect for your style. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.